So let's go over the cleaning of the Antarctic Star ice maker. So for the cleaning, it's very simple. You just want to add a solution of white vinegar and water in the water reservoir. And I've gone ahead and done that. I'll go ahead and flip this around so you can see. Here's the reservoir, fill it up. I put in drinking water here. And then once that's filled, it's really simple. Just go back to the front and then we'll go ahead and hold on the on button for 5 seconds, and then you'll see that it starts cleaning. I'll go through the whole cleaning process. This will take around 30 minutes. So the cleaning process, it's recommended to do it after every day, although that's quite excessive, I would say. The descaling of this, which is the same process of cleaning, you want to do that around twice a week. It depends on where you live in the United States, how often you'll want to descale your machine or clean your machine, because the harder the water, the more you'll want to clean your machine. If we have a look at the little card that you get with your purchase, you can see the different areas of the United States, and it goes over how hard the water is based on the color codes there. So once this process is done with the white vinegar and water, so again, it'll take 30 minutes, then we'll want to drain out the machine. And then we'll go ahead and add in drinking water and run the cleaning process once more. So another 30 minutes, drain that, and then again, put in water and run the cleaning for another 30 minutes and then drain that. So it is a little bit of a lengthy cleaning process, but you definitely want to keep the machine clean. That way it'll last as long as possible. Okay, so then we'll go over draining this once this cycle is done. And one bonus tip here for cleaning, you can stop the machine midway through the cleaning process and let this sit for around 10 hours. This will really help descale the machine and you can continue the cleaning process. Although I would only do this, if I'm going to be putting this away for a while. That's really the one time you really do want to clean and do a thorough cleaning if you know you're not going to be using the ice maker for a long time. Okay, so we finished the first cleaning cycle. I'll go over how to drain it. Very simple. Just go ahead and lift on up. Okay, so I'll go ahead and lift up, and then we'll grab this one right down here, and we can go ahead and drain it. Okay, and then once you've done the first cleaning with the white vinegar and water, then again, you're just gonna add water, fully fill the tank, and run the cleaning process again for another 30 minutes, drain it, then add water once more, and then run it again, the cleaning for another 30 minutes, and then this will be fully cleaned. So that's how you clean this ice maker. Really simple, just takes a little bit of time.